guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought it'd be really interesting to share with you guys what my girls like to eat every day pretty much for breakfast and some snacks and things like that. So I'm going to start the day out by showing you what my girls usually eat for breakfast. Pretty much every day my youngest will have oatmeal. And then sometimes my oldest will too, but she's more of a kind of cereal person in the morning. And I am too. I really don't like a really heavy breakfast. But my youngest has been obsessed with oatmeal lately. She's had it pretty much every single day for the last few months. I don't use the microwave. I just go ahead and make it on the stovetop with the Whole Foods organic old-fashioned oats, I think is what it is. Or maybe it's the quick oats. I don't remember. But either way, it's really easy to make on the stove, and my youngest actually likes it with chocolate chips instead of sugar, so I do that for her, but my oldest doesn't, so if she has oatmeal, she does not have the chocolate chips in there. So just a little bit of butter, chocolate chips for my youngest, and then a little bit of butter and sugar for my oldest. If it's a day when my oldest is not having oatmeal, she's usually having some kind of cereal. That's pretty much how breakfast starts out around here, and kind of keeping it simple. If you guys want to see what we eat in a day as far as lunch and dinner, definitely let me know by leaving that in the comments if that's something you'd want to see. But for now, I'm just going to share with you guys like cereals and snacks and things like that that would give you some healthy, organic, and or gluten-free, non-GMO alternatives to some of the foods that kids like to eat but maybe aren't the healthiest. I think you'll see some good variety here of some really good options for organic and or GMO and gluten-free. Pretty much everything here is Annie's or Nature's Path. And there's a couple things from the Kroger brand Simple Truth organic line, or just Simple Truth, which is not organic, but it's still more natural. So quite a few things from there. If I get some type of Lunchable type thing, this is the one that I get. It's from Kroger. It's the Simple Truth Lunch Kit. And it is nitrate and nitrite free, no antibiotics, and no hormones. We don't get these a whole lot, but they're good fillers if we're on the way to dance or something and someone just needs a little snack. I do like to pick these up. Also from Kroger, and you saw in the morning, my youngest especially loves the organic oatmeal from pretty much anywhere. We usually get the one from Whole Foods, but oatmeal is pretty much oatmeal. But then I also put the Simple Truth organic semi-sweet chocolate chips in her oatmeal instead of sugar. It's not like there's not sugar. I mean, there is still sugar in these. There's 8 grams of sugar, but I feel like it's probably better than putting just actual sugar, and there are some benefits of the chocolate and all that. Some calcium and some fiber and things like that. So she likes these instead of sugar, and then also they're just a little snack to grab sometimes if you want just something sweet. Also from Simple Truth, these are not organic, but they're better than a conventional Oreo. There is no high fructose corn syrup. They're non-GMO, and they're a good alternative to Oreos, and I actually like them. I would say I like them equally. They have a little bit of a different texture than an Oreo, but they are really, really good, and I feel like these are definitely better than getting Oreos. So we like those from Kroger. Like I mentioned, we usually get the Whole Foods 365 brand organic oatmeal. The girls also really like these mini cheddar cheese sandwich crackers. They have the this one, which is cheese, and they have one that's also peanut butter. Again, a conventional treat that a lot of kids eat are like the little peanut butter or little cheese crackers like this. But these are organic, non-GMO, and they are much better for you than the conventional ones. So I usually get these for the girls, and we kind of alternate between the cheese ones and the peanut butter ones. Also, my oldest daughter is obsessed with these chocolate chip, gluten-free, organic waffles. I think that's really nice that they're gluten-free and organic. We don't have to go gluten-free in our house, but I try to do that whenever possible, but I also try to be organic whenever possible, and it's really hard a lot of times to find things that are organic and gluten-free that are actually good. This actually happens to be both, and they are really, really good, and she loves these. So she doesn't have them every morning, but she likes to have them, once a week or so as an extra little treat. And I feel like they're better than a traditional waffle would be. And they're also vegan if that's something that interests you. So she likes those. Also from Nature's Path, we actually like quite a few of their cereals. Sorry about the glare. I eat Leap and Lemurs every single morning for breakfast, like literally, and I have done that for years. They're organic, they are gluten-free, and they are peanut butter and chocolate puffs. They are super good. And even when I was in the process of losing weight, and even now when I'm like trying to maintain and still manage to like get extra muscle and less fat, I still have these every morning for breakfast. I feel like it's my treat in the morning. It is something delicious that I really enjoy, and so I don't want to give up on these. But like I said, organic, gluten-free, non-GMO, love these. And then the girls like these, which would be kind of the equivalent of like a chocolate Rice Krispie cereal, but they really like this. I've never had it. It doesn't really appeal to me, but it is organic and gluten-free, so they really like that. Okay, and speaking of nature's path, we're having a little bit of a toaster pastry war in the house because my youngest daughter, I think, is just as happy with the Annie's brand strawberry toaster pastries as she is the Nature's Path organic ones, but my oldest daughter likes these and not those. I don't usually get both. It just so happens that I did this time. I usually will alternate, and one of the reasons why I get these sometimes is because our Kroger doesn't have this brand in the toaster pastries, but Target does. So that's why I kind of go back and forth. If I happen to be at Target, I'll go ahead and get these. And if I am at Kroger and I need them, I'll go ahead and get these. So like both of those, and they're both organic, non-GMO, just better options than a traditional Pop-Tart, and they're actually good. Also from Annie's, the girls love these. Again, a great snack that kids love. Any type of chewy, gummy type snack, I think most kids like. And I had never found one that was organic that I liked before. I actually prefer these over a traditional gummy, pretty much any brand I've ever had. They are organic, non-GMO, and they are made with real fruit juice and no high fructose corn syrup. So a much better alternative, and there's a couple different flavors, so I get these, and I always have these for the girls whenever they want just a little snack. We don't do it a whole lot, but they do like to have them sometimes after dinner, or if they're going skating and they want just a quick little snack. These are really good, and like I said, I think they're better than any traditional, even non-organic fruit chew. Sticking with Annie's, I've kind of gone back and forth with different brands of organic macaroni and cheese. I think I prefer the Annie's brand the best. I've gotten it at Kroger, I get it at Costco. They have a bunch of different varieties, but we really like these, and this is the only macaroni and cheese that we get now is the Annie's. And then also, speaking of things being better than the non-organic counterpart, the Annie's organic flaky biscuits are the best biscuits in the world. They are organic, non-GMO. They are so good. I mean, especially from somebody like my husband who is picky and thinks that things that are organic automatically are not gonna taste good. He loves these too. So we always have these on hand for a quick dinner or for breakfast or something like that, but they are really good. So I highly recommend those. And then from Target, if you like cheese puffs or you're a Cheetos fan like I am, even though I don't eat Cheetos anymore, I do love them. These I actually like better than Cheetos. It's the Target brand. They just changed it to the Good and Gather Organic, but it's the white cheddar baked corn puffs. Gluten-free, no artificial flavors or synthetic colors, non-GMO, and organic. So it doesn't get much better than that. Another thing I like about these in particular is nutrition-wise, you can eat so many more of these than you could a Cheeto or any other type of cheese puff. You can eat 40 cheese puffs and only 140 calories. So you can definitely eat a lot more of these without feeling guilty about it. And the last thing, my oldest daughter likes these. Nobody else eats these but her, but this is the Kashi Dark Cocoa Karma traditional biscuits. They're just like these little kind of wheat squares, but these aren't organic, but they're non-GMO. So I go ahead and let her get these just because she does like these. But okay, and the last thing I want to show you guys, and I've talked about this before, excuse my poor ripped up receipt. I did Kroger Click List and they stapled it to this big piece of paper and there's holes in it. But anyway, anytime I do grocery shopping, whether it's at Kroger or Costco or Whole Foods or wherever you do your grocery shopping, I always use the Fetch app to scan my receipt when I get home, because you earn points on your grocery purchases no matter what you buy. There's other grocery apps out there that you have to buy certain products or certain amounts of things. With Fetch Rewards, anything that you buy, you're gonna get points for. So you save those points up and then you can use them for gift cards. So there is my receipt uploading and it will update my points here in a minute. So I earned 50 points from that grocery purchase. There are some items that earn you more than other things, like the marshmallow cream that I shamefully bought myself. I got 23 points just for that. But otherwise, everything will still be eligible, and then those certain things do have more. But if you look right here under rewards, you can see all of the points that you have, and the different eligible things. And what I always do is just get gift cards. And last year I saved up a bunch of my rewards and I got Disney gift cards. Let me show you. So you can get a Visa or a Master gift card if you want. You can get ones for specific restaurants. So Applebee's, Bonefish, Chili's, all different places. What I did was got Rainforest Cafe gift cards. Let me see if they're still on there. Because when we go to Disney World, we always like to eat at Rainforest Cafe. So it was nice to have a gift card from there. Yeah, Landry's, which is the company that owns Rainforest Cafe. And you can refer your friends and get bonus points if they sign up so that you can earn even more points faster. But there's all different ways you can redeem the points that you've earned. It's free to use, and it is one of the few apps that I use every single time I shop because I don't have time for a lot of confusing things. I don't have time for a lot of elaborate apps and, you know, scanning this and make sure you purchase this certain product, this certain ounce product. You know, I don't have time for that. So I like Fetch because I'm able to just scan my receipt and earn points no matter where I shop and no matter what I bought. So just highly recommend that for you guys. I will put a link in the description box for you if you want to sign up for Fetch Rewards and you don't have an account yet. It is free to sign up, it's free to use, and you'll get some bonus points. I think it's usually like 2,000 or 3,000 bonus points that you get when you sign up. They changed that offer quite a bit, but you will get some bonus points when you sign up if you use my link in the description box. So I highly recommend that you get the Fetch app, and anytime you grocery shop, it will work and get you points so you can get money back for gift cards and things like that. So I thought this might help you guys if you're looking for organic products and or gluten-free or non-GMO. Sometimes it's hard to find good products, good alternatives to conventional snacks and cereals. It's a lot of trial and error, and it can be a lot of money to buy these cereals sometimes, or snacks or foods, when you don't even know what it's going to taste like. So we love these. I'm very, very picky, and I like all this stuff. So I thought I would share it with you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure if you did, you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And if you wouldn't mind, if you have some organic or gluten-free or non-GMO products that you love, like snacks or cereals or foods, definitely leave it in the comments for me and anybody else who might be looking for more good, more healthy alternatives to food. Then definitely leave that in the comments so that we can all read those, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.